Hey guys, I'm back. I just uploaded last night's video, and I was kind of, uh, I don't know, I was just kind of like tired. Um, Here, let me just unplug one of these microphones because it's way too loud. Like, I can't hear a thing I'm saying. So, I decided for today, I think we should, keep going with the sawmill, and then hopefully try to get up to $1,000. That way we have some more money to afford like some conveyors and maybe just some extra land. So I'm gonna go see how much it is for extra land right now. Let's see. Yes. Actually, no I don't. No. Yes, I want to spend banana. Yes. $3,000? Are you kidding me? You think I'm rich? Who do you think you're talking to? Beyonce? No, it's me. Jeez. What a needy little guy. He's so freaking needy. Wants every piece of money that I have. I should just borrow from the karate master. I'll borrow some money from him and I'll never be able to pay him back. Can I borrow like some money from you? Just, like $500,000, and I'll never pay you back because I never get that much money. That's honestly what I'd do too, is because I'd never be able to pay him back. Come to the door, come on. Pick up, put in your truck. No, throw in there. No, get in. Thank you. Good. Oh wait, I gotta get one of these. I forgot about that. You have to get one of these straight conveyors or not. Yeah, you gotta get one of these or not. Your wood. Every time you like put it in, it doesn't like go in. So you gotta get like one of these to put like in front of it. Yeah. I can also get one for the back, but I don't think I need that quite yet. It's just hard to put stuff in the front, so. Look at this. I went shopping. I went shopping at JCPenney. I went shopping at Macy's for a sawmill. Yep. None of those stores carry any of those things, but found it. Okay. No, back up. There we go. There we go. Let's take this guy out. Open box. And yeah, because we got to put the front thing up. So I think put it right there. Yeah, that's a good place for it. I actually need to get one of those golden ones, because with those golden ones we get like did I get one of those? I knew I was gonna do that too. They look the exact same. I always do that. Well, it'll work for now. Let's just get a couple trees. And then we can't really start building land because we really don't have any land to build anything on. So I gotta get 3,000 or 4,000 just to start the basics and buy the blueprint. Then when I get the blueprint and I get a better axe, that's for sure. I should definitely get a better axe here soon. I know I can buy one, I think, once I sell this, but who knows. So let's hurry up, get this chopped. This terrible axe. Oh, come on, chop. There we go. I think I got it. No. Come on. Oh my gosh. There we go. It takes so long with this axe. Like, literally, this axe is so terrible. Okay, almost through this log. Come on. Come on, don't be shy. Come on. Come on. There we go. Yes. I don't know why I didn't go in first person a lot earlier. There we go. This should be a little bit easier. Let me know, do you guys like first person better or third person? Because I kind of like third person a little bit better. I can see a little bit more stuff. Oh, whoops. I might need to do that first. There you go. Keep going. Give me that money. Come on. Don't be shy. Give me the money. I gotta get that tree right there too. There we go. This is a good amount of money. As long as I can fit it in my truck. Oh, and then I think on episode 3 or 4, this is gonna be episode 2, so not episode 3 or 4, probably 4 or 5. I'm gonna be able to get a trailer and the big truck, but I think I might do some things off camera, like after this episode, just to kind of get up there, just a little bit, maybe just to get like another piece of land. That way I skip past just all this and then get like another piece of land. I don't know. I kind of like the full videos, but then I kind of like editing the videos. I don't know. I kind of like. Oh, dang it! Oh, I gotta. There we go. Wait, no, we gotta go up. But I kind of like the full videos in a way. I kind of like because then you guys get to see everything that I do, and like that I don't cheat and buy Robux and stuff like that. I kind of like the full videos for that kind of purpose. And I have a friend that might want to join me on a couple of these, and if you guys want that, then just tell me in the comments. That way we can do like a collab. Okay, let's get this tree over here. I'm hoping this is gonna come around like $500. I'm hoping at least 500. Because if it's not, then that's gonna be a waste. Okay, let's see. No, come here. And no, don't get caught. I didn't tell you to get caught. I told you just to come right there. There we go. Yeah, I think going in first person definitely helps. I don't know why I didn't do that. I like literally wasted a minute just not going in first person, chopping it like a retard. Total noob right here. Can you tell? Okay. Get this piece. I'm really hoping I make around $500. If I don't, I swear, that's gonna be such a waste of a trip. This should be actually around 5. I think it is, because 500 or more. I think if I got a couple pieces of redwood, that'd be nice. But I mean, if I made a trip up there quick and hopefully got a couple like small limbs, that'd make some money. And then once I get a better axe, I think I'll make a trip up there for redwood. So I think that should be on episode 3, because then that's how I'm gonna be able to afford land. Because getting obviously redwood is the most easiest and like the best way to get most expensive wood. That other than the blue wood. Blue wood's pretty expensive, but I don't want to go through the maze and I really don't want to pay for the boat. Well, I can't even pay for the boat right now, so I don't know how it's gonna work. Yeah, I really should have got a straight conveyor. I shouldn't have bought a tilted one. I didn't know though. I forgot that I always do that too. I always buy the tilted conveyors and I never buy the straight ones. I should have known. But of course not. I hate when that happens. It only chops off one. And then it won't let me chop off the other, and it just makes me chop off the part that I should have chopped off. I wish it wouldn't do that. Okay, let's grab this. No, 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 no. No, what are you doing? Okay. Or I should say, what am I doing? Oh my gosh. By the way, can we get a different floor? Like, is there like a way to change your floor? Because it's like hard. If you're like getting like this kind of wood, you really can't see it because it's literally the exact same. It's like the exact same color or texture. Color and texture, I think. Okay, just keep climbing. Just keep. No. Go. No. Oh my gosh. Am I gonna have to start yelling at this log to go to its room? Because literally, this log is not doing what I said. Yes, there you go. Okay, there's a little bit more just over here that I can grab and hopefully fit in my truck. That'll make some things easy. Oh my gosh. Quit pushing me over, log. What a bully. This log is seriously a bully. Big bully. Okay. I think this, after I get this one, it should be good. I think I should have enough. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it should be good. Yeah, let's go get my truck and load it up. Okay, let's load her up. Nope. Go in. There you go. No. Oh my gosh. I like how I say it's correct, but then I get it wrong and it doesn't go in. I think I should be able to fit all this in my truck. Hopefully I'm able to. There we go. I think I should be able to. How much money do you guys think it'll bring in? I think around 800 or 900. I'm hoping. Because that'll get started. Like, what can I even get? I think I can get a better sawmill with that. Actually, I'm going to get a better axe first. I need to get the hatchet. And then I'll buy a sawmill. Because this axe that I have right now is so bad. And then I'll go get a new sawmill. Because I think, like, one of these pieces sell for like $50. Somewhere around there. Because I know redwood sells for like, for just like a chunk, it sells for like $1,000. It's expensive. Okay, there we go. I did fit it all. Oh no, I didn't. No, go in. Okay, there we go. Let's drive it all back to the selling mark. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get around $900 from it. I'm hoping I get $900. That's good if I do. I definitely need it. Oh jeez. Whoopsies. Uh-oh. Run over my poor log. Let's see how much I get from just this little piece. Let's see. Oh, so that was $30. Never mind, I'm not getting anywhere near $100. I mean $900. This is nowhere near. I think the whitewood is a little bit more expensive. I should have probably used that. Because I think it's a tad a bit more expensive. I mean, this isn't bad, but it could definitely be better. Put this up there. There we go. There we go. There we go. Pick up these little pieces back here. Actually, I might get around 500 or 600 actually. It's not terrible, but for the first load, it's not much either. Okay. Nope. Come on. There we go. Whoa, guy. Slow your roll. There we go. Oh, see, I was right. Around 900. Okay, that's perfect. Well, that wasn't bad for the second episode. That way, on the third episode, we can start, let's just get a couple of these and put them in here. And then, so on the third episode, I think we should start on, definitely get a better axe. Maybe go up to get some redwood. And just the little branches, because the little branches are still more expensive than that like whole load that I just put in there. So if I got just the branches and just put them in here and then sold them, I think I should be able to have enough to get what is it? My better sawmill, and then excuse me, a better sawmill and some better axe, a better axe, and maybe get the truck or the trailer. I'm not gonna be able to afford the truck yet, but I can definitely get a trailer. I think it's what, 8,000, 9,000? I'm pretty sure. I know the truck's like 18 grand or 16 grand, so not gonna be able to afford that. But anyways, guys, this will be for the episode 2, and like and subscribe and comment on the video if you guys want to see more. So peace out.